everybody. It's been a while since I've done a live sale preview, but I decided to go ahead and shoot one today. These items will all be available, these items and more, I should say, will be available tonight at my live sale with Gina Vintage Digs. And our sale it's the Wednesday night late sale. So it's at 10:30 Eastern, 9:30 Central, and 7:30 Pacific. And like I said, these items and more will be available. Okay, I'm going to start over here. I have this really beautiful Fenton hobnail ruffled basket. This is a very large basket. It is in excellent shape. There are no scratches, no chips. It's just a beautiful, beautiful piece of glass. I absolutely love it. Perfect for winter, Christmas. All your decorating needs could be met with this. You could use it as an ephemera bowl. If you want to put Christmas cards in there, you could put actual candy in there. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So I do have that. And then here I have this amazing redware decanter. This is a made in Japan piece. It's this beautiful, like dark purple kind of mauve-y color. The glaze on this is absolutely perfect. Here is the bottom with the Japan sticker right there. It does have the original cork stopper. You can see it coming out right there. It does fit in perfectly. I just had it loose so I could show you the stopper. No damage on this guy either, believe it or not. Just absolutely beautimous. So he will be for sale. And then I have this. This is a really, really unique, very boho candle holder. It's got this really cool base, and it has this beautiful design on it. This is ceramic. I love it. I'm not sure what this process is called. I'm going to have to find out so I can tell you guys during the sale, but I just love this. I had to get it because it was so unique. So that will be available. Then this adorable hand-painted deer will also be available. This is a wall plaque, and it is so cute, guys. Look at this deer. Look at that face. Again, perfect for fall. This is from Colorado, and it is made in the USA. It does have the original hanger there. It is so, so cute. I was trying to remember if there was a year. I don't think there is a year. Yes, there is. 1979. Anyway, so that will be available as well. He's so cute. Then I have this little picture. It does have a little easel that you can display it on, or a little stand. It's a very mid-century looking picture with these beautiful flowers. What are they? I know they're not poppies. I'm not quite sure what they are, but it's just a lovely little piece. Okay, guys, I have this Ellie Smith fairy lamp available tonight. This is a beauty. It's kind of like this gold color. I wouldn't quite call it amber. If it's amber, it's like a very, very, very light amber. It's absolutely beautiful. I love how the light is showing the moon and stars on it. It's so pretty. There is, and I will show you in the sale, there's a little bit of a scratch on the base. It does not go all the way through, but I do want to disclose that. Of course, you will be able to see it during the sale if it's something you're interested in. And this beautiful glass perfume bottle. This is also kind of like a goldish tone. It is so pretty. It has this beautiful hand-painted detailing. It does have the atomizer, which is in great shape. Absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure the age of this, but it's just stunning. It's definitely vintage. It could be mid-century as well. I'm not quite sure, but it's so pretty, guys. Beautiful piece of glass. Then I have this beautiful compact. It has never been used. The actual instructions are in here. It's just so, so pretty. I guess that's probably wheat. What do you guys think? This is very, very old. It's in excellent shape. The only wear is here on the back. It's just a stunning, stunning piece. I always get beautiful compacts like this when I see them. They're so pretty. Okay. I also am going to be selling this paperweight. Words are failing me today. Words are hard. I'm not sure why they're hard the past few days, but they are. This is like a glass paperweight. It's definitely vintage. It does have a little bit of wear on it, but it's still got a lot of life left. And it has this beautiful picture of these two girls hanging out, playing music, singing, talking. I just love it. Okay, and of course I have some brooches. I always have brooches in every sale. I do have this really pretty Christmas brooch. It is mistletoe with that really pretty green and red enameling. I have a gold tone zebra. I love the shape of that zebra. I have this really cool Art Deco looking brooch that does have the hanging chains, as you can see here. I have this really, really old, I think this is probably a fur clip. Here is the back of it. I love the flowers. I love the design. I do believe this is probably from the 20s, if I was to guess, just based on that design. Beautiful. Beautiful. Is beautiful a word? Beautimous. There we go. Okay, and then the last brooch I have is another gold tone. This one is just really, really pretty with this design. It has these pronged pearls here in the middle. It's just a stunner. Love this one as well. Definitely kind of a Victorian look to that one. I'm not saying it's Victorian, but it reminds me of Victorian jewelry. Then I have this beautiful Silvestri glass bluebird. It's this beautiful kind of turquoisey blue color. It does change a little bit in the light. Let's see if I can get it to pick up. I think you can see it there. So pretty. The beak and the wings are in perfect shape. There is a little bit of bubbling in there, as you can see, but it's just absolutely stunning. I have this large made in Japan kitty. It's this dark gray, adorable kitty licking her paw. Sweet face. So, so cute. No damage on that one. Then I have these two cows. I do believe these are made in Japan as well. They are larger, and I bought them as a pair, so I'm selling them as a pair. I think they do belong together. I like to think it's a bull and a cow, and they're in love. I think that they're flirting with their eyes. What do you guys think? I just think they're adorable. They're also in great shape. Then I have this, guys. Okay, so this is Jeanette Carnival glass, and it's obviously the marigold color. Now, I spent a while trying to research this specific pattern. They have a pattern called Florigold. And a lot of people were calling it Florigold, but I don't believe it is. I think it's a different pattern, a little bit of a more rare pattern. And it's got this really pretty flower in it. I've not been able to figure out what kind of flower or plant that is. It's kind of got this really pretty feathered effect. It's just so, so beautiful. I'm showing this tonight because I think it would be great for Thanksgiving. Yeah, to serve, well, you could serve any, you know what would look really good in this? Mimosas. Oh my gosh, I need a mimosa right now. Perfect for your Sunday brunch. Just beautiful. I did not find any damage on this whatsoever. It's just a stunning, stunning piece. And here I have this beautiful silver tone necklace. It's this beautiful heart, and I just like the wires. This is a modern piece. I picked it up because I thought it was really unique and really pretty. And it's a nice piece of jewelry. It's not like, excuse me, cheaply made. But again, it's not silver, it's just silver tone. Just beautiful. And of course, what would a sale be without sheet music? I picked some really cool pieces for today. The first one is The Wedding of the Painted Doll. And this one is from 1929. It's got this adorable, adorable graphic. As you can see, it's from the film Broadway Melody. But just look at this, guys. It's so cute. Look at that dog. Look at the little Red Riding Hood. Look at the little duck. This is so Art Deco looking in the graphics. It's so, so cool. I love this. And then this, I'm sure, will probably be a favorite of several of you. This is Meet Me in St. Louis. And this has Miss Judy Garland on the cover. Oh, just love this. I love this musical. And really was happy when I found this because I know a lot of you will really enjoy seeing this. Okay, guys, so that is my short little preview. Again, I hope to see you guys tonight, 10:30 Eastern, 9:30 Central, and 7:30 Pacific. Our late night sales are always fun. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and I hope everyone's having a good hump day. Okay, guys, see you later. Love ya. Bye.